Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to block specific apps from internet access on Windows 11, 10. Type wf.msc in Windows search bar, click wf.msc. Create new outbound rule. Select application. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.